altitude. Find your altitude. Access that energy, and that's how he can do these vertical maneuvers. Here he comes back around from the left again. Will be strapped in. He is strapped in, holding on to dear life, I'm sure. And now Greg's flying out again to the southeast here, gaining more altitude. It's really difficult to fly. Great altitude, more airspeed. The higher he climbs, the more airspeed he can gain, and the more energy he has to work with. You can see the top of some of these maneuvers, it looks like he's long out of airspeed. Barely making it up to the top. Here he comes again. Put it in a steep dive now, down to the deck.
Right there, I think losing my.
Yeah, no kidding.
Those maneuvers, it looks like he almost runs out of airspeed, just hanging in the sky just enough to get up and over to the top of that maneuver. Gaining airspeed again, looks like he pulls it away. Back behind the hangars. Here we go. Aircraft that are almost fly-by-wire. Yeah. Physical controls, no physical connection with the aircraft. When you're around the sky right now, it's very
hard on your arms. Your arms are tired.
All right, straight to the left. Is that the little red, white, blue plane we saw over there? Pick hard on the left rudder. I said this aircraft is hard to fly. Straight and level, landing, regular flight, not too bad. Doing what Greg is doing with this aircraft right now, it is very, very difficult. He is literally rolling around the sky. We talked about these aviators, these aerobatic pilots are athletes. They have to be, not only to move the controls on a very heavy aircraft like this, but also to withstand the G-forces. Even in an aircraft that does not have a lot of speed as this does, or like this one. They still have to endure high G levels. Okay, Ashley now climbing out onto the wing. Climbing out of the front cockpit. As Greg does a slow flyby, you'll be able to see her scramble from the cockpit to the top wing. Slowing down, of course, to give her a little bit easier going. She's up on the wing. And it looks like she's
Is that her?
Ashley Brown is now on top of the wing of the aircraft, precariously balanced. Now, again, we have Ashley wired, and as they do her first maneuver,
I'm guessing what she's going to say.
To say this girl is brave is a gross understatement. Wait till you see what happens.
Alright, you see what happens? Okay.
Soon we will be going to her on the wings. Here, boss, Jack Brayton, our engineer, everything is all set to go. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Stand by. He's in the dive. Let's go to Ashley on the wings.
Look at her. Can you see her up there? Do you see her? I can see her. Do you see her?
It's funny that that treatment.
Now you can imagine how much the pilot thinks crossing
That she's actually going to say something.
How hard she is having to hold on even with that harness on. Back on the down line. Momentarily upside down and properly executed roll, barrel roll, forward pass, positive knees, meaning that she did not feel weightless there, provided Greg did the maneuver properly, and it was picture perfect. Because Greg Shelton can actually do that maneuver. Gaining altitude, storing that energy, creating that energy on the down line, 45-degree down line, to the runway. Ashley on top. Get that hammerhead turn all the way down. Quick snap roll. And then stand there for another one down. That snap roll is what she has to hold on tight. Back around from the right side. Here we go again. You have a chance to meet Ashley in person. She was just a